searching on this?
Difficulty. Difficulty was many things. In fact, in case of eastern part, eastern Himalayas, right? I am also an insider to that community. The inside, being an insider, sometimes is advantageous, sometimes it's also disadvantageous. क्योंकि जो अब खास में I'm क्षेत्रीय, right? So I'm listening to those leaders. I'm talking to them. So it seems that some of the cultural attributes of that community to which I belong, it's new to me actually, very new, right? So navigating through that becomes sometimes tricky. Sirmaur ke side pe this caste principle becomes very very difficult to address because you can't say that they don't deserve scheduled tribe status because they are casteist. वो भी नहीं बोल सकते आप. So you have to navigate a very difficult kind of a terrain. आप वो भी deny नहीं कर सकते कि scheduled tribe बनने के बाद they will not be casteist again. वो caste का तो angle रहेगा. So to maintain this balance between issues which are emergent from the field, वो थोड़ा tricky तो है. Yes.
No, when we talk about when they are taking the caste aspects into the recognition of two tribals, then how do you see it exactly when we are connecting it with caste system? Because when we talk about some sort of originality or whatever word we are using for that, so again Sanskritization type of things are coming there. So how do you see it then exactly? It is totally dependent on the will of the president, what type of things he is looking into.
So bill also at the same time, the politicians actually rely on this Anthropological Survey of India वो report बनाता है, CRI, the Tribal Institute of the State वो report बनाता है. So ये issue at least in Sirmaur ये बहुत बड़ा issue बन गया था. On the idea of tribe or the scheduled caste within the tribe. तो ये लाहौल में भी ये issue है. I am exploring that. So you must have heard about this person, लालचंद दिस्सा जी जो है मैंने.
Even in Laos, they are very much influenced by the caste structure.
Yeah. That's what I'm trying to say.
So it is not going to be fit in the definition of the caste.
तो क्या किया है कि in case of Lahaul, Disa actually worked very hard to form another category. It's known as scheduled tribe Dalit.
Because the same thing are there even in Lahaul's identity, even in Pangwala identity. And it's a very new thing कि they are not outside of the caste structure.
और गद्दी में भी है ना, अभी के टाइम में गद्दी देख लीजिए. गद्दी is not one community, पर उसके गद्दी के अंदर भी there are caste kind of principles.
Then how they are pre-Aryan? So that this is the how we can say they are aboriginal.
हाँ, Sanskritization तो हुआ है at a certain point in time, definitely. Principles of caste have crept into it. So I'll give you one example ना. तो लोग क्या बोलते हैं कि in different kind of